traders. This is Sandra with Trading Made Simple. Today we're going to talk about doing zero DTE butterflies and how we use gamma in our system to create those butterflies. So today we were looking at SPX. Let's just take a quick look at SPY. My pre-market levels come up nicely on SPY, which on indexes they don't. Some indicators don't work on indexes, which you probably already know. So as you can see on my chart, I have the pre-market high, pre-market mid, and the pre-market low. Now, your pre-market levels is really your trading range for the day. So breaking out of the pre-market high is a strategy, and it's a bullish strategy. Breaking down below pre-market low here is a bearish strategy. So today, as we broke above pre-market high, the market was bullish. And as we were looking at gamma, we could also identify, based on where zero gamma was and where the price was, we could see that it was also going to be a bullish day. And so at around 11:30, I was looking to put on a butterfly. Now, I was looking at SXP. All right, that's an index just like SPX. And so it's priced like SPY, not as liquid as SPY, but you can let this cash settle, which is really convenient, especially for those that have PDT rules that are in place. So after breaking out at around 11:30, XSP was at 476.80 thereabouts. And gamma showed that positive gamma was at 478, so $2 above us. So what we did is basically go to our trade tab, looking at the butterfly from your drop-down menu, and looking for the center strike is 478. Now this was a call butterfly. And then we did it, we created a $2 wide. A dollar wide is pretty narrow. So we went from 476 and then also 480. And so as you can see, it's $2 below, $2 above. And right now, as you can tell, it's going for $1.94. Now, when we got into it at 11:30, it was going for 85 cents. So this was 130% profit in one afternoon. Okay. Now, with this trade, when we have it on, we were about right here, 476, thereabouts. And so, those micro movements all day, and we made it in the body of the butterfly. Now, a lot of us really want to try to pin that butterfly, and I totally get it, but it's one of the hardest things to do. And that's why the reward is so great for a butterfly. So when you start thinking about your butterfly strategy, try to think about getting some profit out of that butterfly each and every day you put on a trade. For those of us that trade full time, we do this every day. So this is not, going to be a lotto or a gambling type situation where we're just going to let it run. If we're unable to actually monitor the butterfly or automate, right? Automate your take profit as well as your exits, as an example, then really you're trying to extract money out of the market each and every day. And so by doing that, you need to identify your expectation of profit. So try to get that 30 to 50 to 60% profit as you're starting to move towards the body of the butterfly. Oftentimes you can get a couple of these. You can sell a couple of those as profit and let one run as an example if you can still see by the gamma levels that they're still looking good for that area of resistance to hold. And in this case, that's exactly what it did. It actually reached 478, little over, and then started to come down right before the close. But still managed to get 130% off of this from one afternoon. So you could utilize the butterfly strategy as well as gamma levels to create your trade vehicles not only for zero DTE, but for weekly options as well as monthly income options. So if you have any questions, my contact is in the description below. Also, we trade live and train live every Friday morning for free. Come on, visit us. Also, our ultimate plan, 7-day free trial. Check out all of our tools, all of our alerts, our indicators, as well as our strategy setups, our price action education, and then see if this type of system works well for you. All right, we'll see you on the next video.